Hello friends, I'm Rahul, your STEM trainer. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. We have been discussing about reverse engineering in the last two videos. If you have not watched our last videos on the reverse engineering, you can watch it by clicking the link given in the description. How was your Holi? We hope you all have enjoyed and played Holi with water gun and many other toys for pouring water on your friends. Now let us use the same toys to learn engineering from it. So, do you know the working mechanism behind the water gun? Comment below with your answer. Today, we are going to open a water gun using reverse engineering to understand the working mechanism of water gun, and we'll also discuss the principle behind the water gun. If this channel is new for you, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification when we upload new videos. Like, comment on the video and share the video with your friends. Let us start today's video. First of all, we are going to open the water gun. Let us understand the working mechanism of the water gun. We have three stages in the water gun: reservoir, staging, and the nozzle. The reservoir stores the water. Nozzle is the part of water gun where water comes out. Staging is the part of water gun where we have two parts. One is trigger, the other one is piping system connecting nozzle and reservoir. Trigger consists of simple lever and a tube-like structure in which a spring and a valve is placed. Water gun works when there is a pressure difference in the staging. So, let us discuss how water gun works. Initially, in the piping system, there is no water. First, we will fill the reservoir with water and close it. When we will trigger the lever, the valve inside the trigger will push the spring back and spring will be compressed and it will generate a pressure in the air. As a result, in the pipe connected to the nozzle and the trigger, the air will come out of the nozzle. When the trigger is relaxed, the spring pushes it back out, creating a vacuum effect that pulls the fluid from the reservoir again into the staging area. Again, when the trigger is pressed, it pushes the fluid that is in staging area, which then travels out of the nozzle, and that cycle continues. Here we have two principles which is working in the water gun: continuity equation and Bernoulli theorem. We will discuss continuity equation and Bernoulli principle in the next video. That's all for today. We will meet in the next video with these two principles. Please like, comment and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it. Bye bye. Jai Hind.